I know at least one of them, it was a surprise, and you weren't planning to shoot,
and I didn't think about it.
Didn't think about it, and you did great.
Yes, right.
It's when you think about it,
right.
And then you start aiming instead of
plan, measure, lead, blah blah. Yeah, all that
instead
stuff.
of just shooting instinctively.
Right. No, you're right. I got a lesson in skate. Oh, he's on something right there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I got the last bird. You want to get this one?
Sure. I see him.
All right, we'll trade sides. Oh yeah. Geez, that's like just a few feet in front of her.
I see it.
She may just catch that one.
Yeah.
If it starts to run, she'll catch it.
Okay.
Let me hold the dog.
Sure.
And I'll be going down no matter what.
Okay. Oh, he's close. Yeah.
Stay. Stay.
Come on! Come on! Yeah!
Oh!
That was yours. Good shot. That was a long shot.
For improved cylinder?
Yeah, that was an extremely long shot. The feathers flew out there.
I was surprised at how...
Once again, he was so close to the bird. I'm going, nope, 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 nope.
Yeah.
Well, you shot well today.
Well, I held her, but still. Oh, poor baby.